Hi, it's Christine from Pointel Shoe Insert Shapers for pointed-toed shoes. And I'm here today to talk to you about something really fun. And this is a pretty short video. And this video is inspired by these earrings. These earrings are from the 80s. As you can see from the 80s, very big and blingy. And I just think they're absolutely fabulous. My mom purchased them. I don't know if she ever wore them. But it looks like it because they're clip-ons and they're little pads behind the clips, because clip-on earrings are usually very tight, so they'll stay on. Unlike a pierced earring, it's going to stay on because you've posted it into your flesh and it's attached. So the fact that they're tight, you can't wear them very long, but they're perfect for our purposes today. So you can actually bling out pairs of your normal looking shoes that are plain by adding earrings, clip-on earrings to the front. I collect this kind of, what is it called, rhinestones. Rhinestones are like fake gemstones or crystals like this. And I collect them mainly from the 50s because I think they're super pretty and cool. If you don't have any earrings from the 50s, you can ask your mom or your grandmother. Even in the 80s, I have quite a few earrings from the 80s that are clip-on. I don't know how many clip-on earrings you can buy today that are really blingy like this, but you can also probably look on eBay because I have purchased blingy 1950s necklaces and things on eBay. So we'll just get started. So this is my all-purpose flat that I like to use for demonstration purposes, and they work really well with these earrings. And all you do, obviously, you can probably guess, is you clip it onto the front, and look, you have a whole new shoe compared to the other one. And I originally thought, why couldn't you also clip them on the back? Because I've seen like websites that have little things, little bows and things you can stick on the back, but with the earring, your heel will hit this part, so it's not practical to do it on the back. But you can totally do it in the front, and again, as I said, it's really tight, so it will stay there. Another one that I found, again, I have a lot, but these work really well. Again, very tight. I've worn these. Not comfortable to wear. That's why you can get these pads. If you do want to buy these earrings and actually wear them, they give you, you can buy them online and you just put them there. They're adhesive and they give you a nice cushion behind your ear. So again, we just clip it on. That's so cute. Anyway, look how cute, and it blends in really quickly. I've just had these earrings lying around. I have boxes of them. But you see the difference, how cool that is? So if you're going somewhere extra fancy or maybe on a date, or I even wear stuff like this with jeans. So maybe not jeans and a t-shirt, but just jeans, because you can just do whatever you like. And these earrings my mom gave me, she bought them to collect them, but she never wore them. But these have some history behind them. Aren't these the most amazing earrings? Look at that. And these are by Elsa Schiaparelli. Elsa Schiaparelli was a fashion designer in the 1930s. I think she became famous, but I don't know what decade these are from actually. I just think they're stunning. I've never worn them. Maybe I'll have an opportunity to wear them someday. But again, these work on this shoe too. Look at that. Isn't that just fantastic? I just think it's the coolest thing. Again, there are websites that have little attachments, but I've usually seen they're just big pom-poms, which are also very cute. But I think this is just a fabulous way to make use of old jewelry. So we're going to skip. We've done 3 pairs of earrings with these shoes. So you might think, well, what about a simpler shoe? And again, you could do this with flats or heels. These are some of my basic black flats, obviously. I have mostly blingy stuff, and my other daily stuff are pierced. So what you can do with these is if you Google for 80s earrings, everything was big, lots of round discs. Also, that you could probably find today, just a big gold disc, a big colored disc, or even a square or some other shape, and you could clip it there for an everyday look. These are mine from a long time ago. Super cute. If you can see, it's kind of shiny there, but see, it's a little heart. And they work really well with these little plain black flats. I was thinking maybe the heart should face the viewer so that when you're wearing them, they don't look like that. But I just thought it was so cute. And they just, they're pretty casual, but I just thought it was really, really cute. And these are kind of flat on the back, so they might work on the back as well. Oh no, they'd be upside down. Forget that idea. And then you could also, for a day look, because I actually have flats for day that actually have crystal embellishments already on them from the manufacturer. So I have this. Again, this is a clip-on. I think it looks really pink, I see here. It's really red actually. But it's a clip-on, and it's from probably the 50s. Most of my stuff is from the 50s. And again, you just clip it on. And look, isn't that fabulous? I'm so impressed with my own idea. But isn't that cool? So you can take all kinds of old jewelry. I want to show one more shoe. I don't have anything for it. And if you have again, this would be for going out. If you have and just ignore this part of the shoe. This is already blinged out, has enough fashion as it is. But if you have, a lot of women have plain patent leather shoes, what really good would be a clip-on in just clear rhinestones. I think that would look fabulous. And I don't have anything like that. That's just plain clear color or some pale color, but clear would be awesome on that. So that's it for today. I just always have wanted to make this video because I just think that's so cute. Again, inspired by these fabulous blingy 80s earrings. And one other idea I had, which has nothing to do with shoes, but you could also use these, like if you had your hair up and you had your hair up like that and it was up, you could just use them in your hair too, as long as your hair is up so that it doesn't come down. Because if I just wore it as a barrette, you see it would slide all over the place. But anyway, a really cool use for vintage or 80s blingy clipped earrings. And that's it for today. See you soon.